Welcome to Akshayakalpa Organic Farm. This farm is organically certified dairy industry in India. Here we will get the complete information about the dairy products, honeybee process, about cows and in-house biogas unit. When you visit the Akshayakalpa farm, you are stepping into an ecosystem that not only caters to mankind but other living beings too. Sometimes you will also be greeted by surprise like exotic birds and seasonal.
Hello friends, I hope you guys are doing great. This is your Amit and welcome to YouTube channel Commute with Amit. Today I'm in Akshayakalpa Organic Farm. Yes, this farm is located in Tiptur. It's around 170 kilometer from Bangalore. Just it took me 3 hours to complete my drive. It comes in Hassan district in Chandrayapatna Taluk. The specialty of this farm is so here they will serve the traditional organic food which are grown here only. The vegetables and the food products they are preparing here only in organic way. If you really want to spend a healthy and organic weekend, I think this is the best place to visit. Moreover, this is we can say food forest also, because wherever in any direction we go, you will get something to eat. As far as price is concerned, here 500 rupees per person for one day for day out. If you want to extend one more day, then you need to pay 1000 rupees per person, and they will give you camp stay. And apart from that, here they will take you the bull cart ride as soon as you enter the farm. They will give you buttermilk as a welcome drink, and food is what they will give in an organic way. A really awesome one.
Now we are enjoying the bull cart ride. This bull cart ride recalls my childhood days. We used to visit our grandparents' house, which was in village, where we jump and sit on running bullock cart. This bumpy ride really took me into nostalgic. During the bull cart journey, they offer us the coconut water, and it really quenched my thirst. We felt as a family with other outside members, and during this ride, we exchanged our childhood memories. Now we are entering in cow shed. We have to dip our feet in potassium permanganate solution before entering to cow shed to avoid entering of germs into the shed.
Black and white patches, that one is called as Holstein Friesian, shortly HF, and brown and white color or the fawn color, which is called as Jersey breed. Okay, and ಆ side ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಹಳ್ಳಿಕರ್, which is native of southern part of India, and you all went for bullock right? That one, that breed is called as Amrutmal breed. Okay, coming to quantity wise also it varies on based on the individual and also a genetic difference. Coming to HF breed, which yield about milk production 25 to 26 liters per day. Okay, and coming to Jersey, 20 to 22 liters per day. And that one Hallikar, which are multi-purpose breed, which is about 3 to 4 liters per day. That's it, because they can be used in plowing also, for plowing also. Okay, in our farm all are seeing none of the animal is tied, right? So what happens if we tie the animals, there is a stress to the animal which leads to release of stress hormone, which is unhealthy for the human consumption also and for the animal also. So in our farm we are feeding a TMR feeding. TMR means total mixed ration. A total mixed ration ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮತೋಲನ ಆಹಾರ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So what happens in TMR, we are giving green fodder, silage, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ರಸಮೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೊಡಿ ಸಾಕು. ಇದು TMR ಮಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಸಿ ಹುಲ್ಲು, ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಫಾಡರ್, ಹಸಿ ಹುಲ್ಲು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೇನು ಬ್ರೌನಿಶ್ ತರ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಫರ್ಮೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈಲೇಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ದ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಫಾಡರ್ ಇಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪೀಸಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ 45 days ವಿತ್ ಅನರೋಬಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಏರ್ನ ನಾವು ಹಸಿ ಹುಲ್ಲನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು 45 ದಿನ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದು ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫರ್ಮೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಈಸಿ digestibility because these animals are ruminants. They have 4 parts of stomach. This is a milking parlor, okay, and this is a routine activity like early morning 4:30 to 5, evening 4:30 to 5. Okay, in our farm, every like 7 animals will be milked at a time with milking machine in 5 to 10 minutes.
Hello friends, good morning. This is second day in Akshayakalpa organic farm. At first we will do the farm walk, and later on they will take us into biogas unit. There they will brief about how biogas will work here, and then coconut extraction they will do. They will brief about coconut extraction, and thirdly honeybee processing, and still lot more programs they are conducting. Please stay tuned with me. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. You will get all the updates of my video. Thank you.
We have a 6 balloons here. What we do, whatever the cow dung, cow urine and washable waters are there, so everything will be collected in one pit. So to there we had some more water. We make it as a slurry. So in the ratio of 1:2. So that slurry we are pumping from there to here. So you can see this. So through this big pipe will be dumped inside the balloon. So due to anaerobic decomposition, there will be methane gas will be produced. That methane gas will be taken out from here through this pipe. So per day, around 25 kg of gas can be we can get it from here. So that gas we are using for the canteen, as well as we need a hot water in the to clean a machines. So the to clean a milking machine. So we have placed one boiler there. So there we are supplying, mixing all the cow dung with the water, and that slurry we are pumping here. So per day production will be around 25 kg gas. It is almost more than 1.5 cylinder. So whatever the slurry will come out from that side, no, there even same kind of setup even that side also there. So whatever the slurry will come out, so that slurry we are mixing with recycled water, and we are supplying to our agriculture land. So throughout 65 days we are not facing any water problem, and also manure. So it's a very good manure because it's a decomposed one, no. So it's a very good manure. We are mixing with recycled water, and we are supplying. So and in the gas room, mainly 3 type of gas will be produced. One is the major contains 50 methane, another one is carbon dioxide, another one is hydrogen sulfide. So hydrogen sulfide is very harmful for the human health. That is the reason that is we are going to treat here. So to make us hydrogen sulfide to hydrogen sulfate. So the crystal form of hydrogen sulfate will be stored here. So we need to clean that one every 6 months.
This is deep one, or how it is? Deep one?
No, it's a what we have done. So it's just a balloon. We dig the 2 feet. We place the balloon like this. That's
Okay.
it. There is no much difficult setup.
Friends, now we are in vegetable harvesting zone. So you can see it's a mint leaf here. If you just check it out on mint leaf, so just let me see. This is just, if you eat this mint, you feel like just you are having mint candy. See, so we have to experience this. There is lot more vegetable, lot more medicinal plants also you can see. Uh, let's try some more. Friends, this is Brahmi. We'll call it in Kannada Vandelaga. Um, it is having a lot of medicinal property. This is good for brain. This is the cabbage zone. See, you can find the cabbage here. See, this is how. So it's all full of cabbage. You can see. This is a mango ginger. See, just like how you use the raw mango in my preparation of rice, no, the same thing. This ginger also you can use it. It's gives mango taste if you eat it, just like a raw mango. You can use it. So now only just I got information that mango ginger is different and normal ginger is different. Guys, it's time to depart now. The journey was awesome, informative, and fun-filled. I experienced the inexperienced things in my life. Really, we had a good time here, and the traveling is not just about destinations. It's something more about whom you with, and memories you take, and journey itself. Um, very soon I'll come up with the new videos, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.